Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a fashion inspiration video. I just wanted to share with you an unboxing of my Christmas gift from my husband. I already took a little sneak peek, but I wanted to show you guys what I've asked for Christmas and he delivered. And without further ado, this is what I got for Christmas. Do you recognize this box? It's actually a purse from Polene, and it is the Numero Un. I know that there is a smaller version of this, but I do carry quite a fair bit of stuff on a daily basis, and so I've asked for my husband to purchase or to ask for Christmas for this Numero Un purse, and I wanted to share. It's from Polene. I recently kind of grew out of that Louis Vuitton monogram, any purse that actually show any kind of like brand on the outside, because I feel like I'm just kind of over that, and I wanted to do something like have a purse that is more versatile, that is more minimalist, and so I'm going for purses that does not have like monogram all over it. And I thought this would be the perfect one. So this is my Numero Un purse. It is in the box right now, and I'll show you. Here you go. This is the Polene. This is actually the cover. It's actually very it's very velvety, the case, and the dust bag is a very good quality dust bag. In fact, I feel like it's better quality than Louis Vuitton. I believe this purse comes from Italy, and it is very well crafted, and I was actually attracted by the quality of the purse. And there's that paper, and show you this. Look at it, guys. I saw it once on Christmas Day, but I wanted to wait till I do a video to show you exactly what it is. This is, I think it's the trio camel color. It's very popular right now. I'm sure you saw it on Instagram, Facebook, all that. The quality is amazing. It's trio, I guess, because there's 3 different colors, as you can see, and you can see the brand there, Polene. It's very low profile, but at the same time, it's so beautiful. It's well crafted. It is completely leather. I love the handle, and it is just real good solid leather. It is very feminine and minimalistic. How you open the purse, I think, is like this. There you go, and there's that side snap that you can open up, and there's the in-between snap too if you want to open that up. I haven't really tried that because I haven't used the purse yet, but just so you get an idea. And the inside just have all this little stuffing to keep the shape of the purse, but it's very beautiful. It's got a nice zipper in here. The quality of the zip is really good. I can tell the quality of a purse by the way the zip goes, and there's that Polene logo in there. It's so pretty. And then it actually has, my necklace got stuck in there. Snap this back on here. I think it's nice because you can change the shape. If you want it to be bigger, you can just kind of unsnap it, but I kind of like the shape as it is, so just snapping it back on. Quality of the snap is so good. The leather just feels like it's such great quality. Put this back on here. I just want to make sure that I don't get any stain on it. But it feels like a very durable purse. And then the back of it, that's a little pocket, which I think I can put my phone in here. And then that's the strap. And it's gonna look like this on me. It's a good size. Very good size. And it's got feet on it. Right now, I'm using my Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis. It is a good size and I carry it everywhere and it doesn't dirty easily. This particular purse I love because it's so feminine and it's very low profile, but again, it looks like it has this expensive, extravagant look, and it's like made of leather all over, and it's just a very pretty color. I think I like the color. I think I can carry it all the way through spring. It's got bottom feet, so I won't have any worry putting it anywhere I go. But I just wanted to show you the unboxing of my Polene purse, Numero Un. It is a bigger size, and I believe that there's a nano one. But I personally like to have a space within my purse to put plenty of stuff. And so far, after taking the stuffing out, the shape still maintains. I feel like over time, the leather would soften. But I just wanted a purse that actually can keep its shape. And I think this will do, really. And there is adjustable strap. It's kind of by this buttons here. I kind of wanted to give it like an even feel to the strap, because then I don't want, down the road if I want to adjust, I feel like it doesn't have a dent on it. So I just kind of distribute it evenly to kind of midway, and it's not too long or not too short, so it's just perfect. I'm hoping that the handle wouldn't dirty as easily, because this handle reminds me of the Louis Vuitton strap, which over time the Louis Vuitton strap turns a honey brown. I'm not sure if this is going to happen. And the other thing I'm not too sure about is if this, because this is where you open and shut the most, which means your fingers will be on it, your oils will be on it, and hopefully the color doesn't change over time because of daily use. But I wanted to show you my new Polene Numero Un purse, which I've wanted for a very long time. My husband spoiled me by buying it for me. I definitely see that this is a really good quality purse as far as I can see right now, but I wanted to just do an unboxing. I hope you like it, and I will do another video to show you how the wear and tear is, and do a bag review as I've used, as I start using the purse. I would kind of know what worked and what didn't, and how I carry it, and how it stays clean or keep its shape. So I look forward to getting another video on here about the review of this Polene Numero Un purse. But I hope that you enjoy this unboxing. Until I see you in the next video, make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Have a good day.